Hello, good day to every one of us, nationwide, worldwide, to all different countries. Everything will be okay, and thank you for everything that you are giving to us, especially to our...
Hello, Mama.
So look what she do. See me color to his... What's the name of that Barbie? It's Barbie?
No, it's Elsa.
Si Princess Elsa. And she make color, she used the makeup kit. Oh, look what she do.
Now, I brush her
wow, very good.
And look over here.
Wow, very nice. It's shiny.
I make
sprinkle. What's the name that?
Mom become big, I make my hair like this.
Okay, very good. Say hi ka muna. Say hello. And this one also. Who buy this one for you?
Shams.
Wow. Did you see? Thank you. Thank you, auntie.
Now we use yellow and red.
Oh. And then, what else?
And I put it here.
Okay. Look what she do. That's what we do only. While I'm cleaning, if she's not, what's that already of the iPad, so that's what they're doing. Either she make drawing, color, or ayan.
Now,
That's what she think. That's whatever she think, whatever she want.
And we make this fluff.
Even this one is, it's not
Now
good
we need
way,
glow.
but
Now
I
we
just
need-
allowed.
Now we need this color with purple and we need gold purple.
Yeah, and see, supposed to be you use the color, the real color for the hair. You know why? Because that one is makeup. It's not for the hair.
I do have the hairs.
So next time, if we go to mall...
I have it, but is now Kadim. I
okay.
bring it someone.
Okay. So next time, we buy
Lots of colors for
we
the
buy
hairs.
for hair only, okay? For the hair, okay? We buy for the hair, okay? And that one, you have a new, I think you have a new makeup kit.
This
Don't
one,
use
her crown.
Yeah. Because that one is you use already, one the hair.
Put it here.
Which one?
You clean.
No, I'm just finish my, I make hover so I
You finish your work?
No, not yet. To make hover and I just stop so and I'm looking to what you are doing. Okay, ayan And this one also, yesterday when we go to the mall also.
No, this one we buy.
How about this one?
This one Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus, sorry, I forgot. This one pala daw, Grace. Nani Grace, she make it Miss Thinking.
Now we put
She forget
her
it. This one with Madam Sams and that one, that too.
Now we put her.
We put... Andyan Where is it pa? Ayan. Color. You finish? That one?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Give me a lot of customer.
Okay.
Give me those.
Dolls? I give you more? Which one? Any? This one, you can put color this one.
No, this one you have white, I colored pink, no.
So which one ba? Which one you want? I don't know which one you like it.
Okay, finish.
Finish
Now
na.
as a clothes.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Put this one over there.
Okay, Ella. You see?
Now.
You see? Look what she does. The color very nice. Okay. And okay.
Now we put this and this.
Okay.
Put it.
You see?
Grace, put it this one in here.
Thank you very much. Okay, siguli bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, happy Friday. Happy weekends to all of us.
Merry Christmas. I give you my heart. And the next day, you give away. In the this year's.
What? Ay, nako.
Hello, Aki. Mama.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, yelay si bye-bye
Hello,
na.
Aki. Mama.
She learned that one with Madam Nora and Asus. They're doing like that one. What? It's the aunt of Asus, diba?
Yeah.
What's the name?
His name Nani.
The name is Nani. She called Nani to, what's that? To call to call Asus. And me, I call Madam,
Asusa.
of course. Si Asusa, si little girl.
I'm
So
Asusa.
again, thank you.
Me Asusa.
Yeah. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again to
This one,
subscribe
Asusa.
me.
This.
Thank
Like
you for
Asusa.
everything. Yeah. It's like Asusa. And shout out to all nationwide and worldwide. Thank you also that the all making supporters of my YouTube
No.
channel. Okay, thank you very much to all of us, to all of you. Okay, and to all some bloggers also that they support also to me from the beginning until now to make to start the time out last time that I start.
It's a clothes.
Oh yeah, wow, that is easy.
It's
wow,
a clothes.
It's Celine. Okay, she's
No.
the one.
Clothes.
Close, okay. Yellow close, okay. Because I start cleaning na also again, okay? So,
Yes.
thank you.
You have a timer to clean. One, two,
Okay,
three.
okay.
Give me the beat.
Just a minute. I say bye-bye only, okay? Guli bye-bye.
Bye bye, Kitty.
What? Yeah, guli
Bye,
bye-bye
Pipi.
na kasi she want
Bye,
to use
Pipi.
na the cellphone. Oh, where is your iPad?
Papa, she uses.
After that one, lobat na. We go in the house. Oh, what's that? In Jiddo. Okay, thank you again to all subscriber of mine. To all that, what I mean, the some blogger that they are helping also to me from the beginning until now. And to all those people that you are watching of my old videos, that is still to support of me in my YouTube channel. And to all those that you are watching only, subscribe, share, comments, and likes. Okay? Thank you very much to all of us talaga, to all that you are still part of in my YouTube channel, in my account. Okay? Thank you very much. All of us that you are under of my in my channel. Even you are not what's that? I must to say thank you. Nationwide and worldwide, thank you very much. You are watching or not watching, thank you very much talaga. The all support that you are giving to me. And of course, that is common already. It's generalized already to my all families, both side in the Philippines, whatever you are, wherever you work, wherever you stay with your own families already. And for my hometown, from my only brother to my niece, to my mga apo-apo, my mga in-laws, mga angkan to angkan, generalize na ng angkan doon sa Libho, Surigao, Dinagat Island na, because it's Dinagat Island already. It's not na Libho, Surigao del Norte. No need na, we are separate already. So it's only as the Surigao City. Okay? In the Tobajon, in the Santa Cruz, in the Loreto, all that barangays there. Okay? And all also in the Dinagat side. Okay? Thank you. to all cities. Thank you talaga. Thank you. Ang buong mundo in different countries. Thank you very much. God bless us all and always keep safe. God provide everything, whatever we need. Okay? So thank you. And thank you. And thank you. Ngayla, bye.